Couple of fish down there looking at the chironomid. There's one, got him. Nice. So today I'm still fishing flies for trout. Oop, that was a little rainbow. I just got one on the bloodworm there, and I just got bit right there on that scud. So we're going to try a couple different fly patterns today. And we're not going to be trolling them or doing anything, we're just going to hover them still. This morning, most of the love has come on this red chironomid. And that was the first tap that the scud had got all morning. But I'm staggering these in the water column on the edge of a little drop off here. I'm just kind of letting the wind just gently move me around. This is a great way to fish if you have selective gear rules on your local lakes, or if you want to run one bait, one fly too, to run a diversity of things. There he is, got him. Nice. This feels like a decent trout. Yeah, it's a pretty little rainbow. There we go. Gorgeous. Wet my hands. It's okay, buddy. There you go. Pretty rainbow. That red chironomid's definitely catching the bulk of them. At least getting most of the attention this morning. Just retying my leader here because I got a little scraped up. There's somebody going for the scud. Oh, there he is, got him. I was just saying, nothing's hitting the scud, and then boom. Ooh, it was a beautiful brown. Pretty little brown. Come here, buddy. That's what's amazing, is these flies just sitting in the water column, because that's what they normally look like when they're feeding on them. You can catch these gorgeous little trout. Alright, get that little brown going. First one for the scud this morning, so that's good. So the setup on this is very simple. Just have my main line, which is 5-pound braid, and then I've got a small weight, swivel, and then a 2 to 3 foot long 6-pound fluorocarbon leader down to my fly, which I have a pinched barb on. Then you just drop this down to whatever depth you want. If you're fishing in a lake that allows 2-pole fishing, then you can stagger your gear at different depths, which is a really good idea. And you just let it sit there, and a lot of times they'll come straight in to look at it. I got one came in to take a gander at that chironomid already, and oof, I saw a little nibble there. I can see him on the fish finder too, coming in. So I've been running the chironomid about 5 or 6 feet off the bottom, and the scud I've been running shallow, just about 10 foot down. Ooh, there's one on the chironomid. That was a good hit. Awesome. This feels like a decent fish. Oh yeah, nice size rainbow. A lot of copepods on them, unfortunately. Alright, buddy, we'll get you going. There he goes. That's cool. Scud down there is just not getting the same love that the chironomid is. There he is, got him. This feels decent. They're loving that blood red fly. Oh yeah, nice rainbow. This guy's got some shoulders to him, some big spots. Beautiful. Look at that rainbow, guys. Pretty one. Gorgeous. Okay, let's get him released. Come here, buddy. pretty. Barbless hook should come right out. Get him on this way. Gosh darn it. I'm getting no bites on that scud. I think it's time to change it out because they are all about this. Well, that might have been a bite right there. There we go. Got one on this chironomid. Nice. Oh, there's one on the scud too. Nibbling on it. It's a decent rainbow. Nice. That guy actually looks pretty healthy. Really pretty. Okay. Let's get him going. I think it's time to retire the scud. Just not living up to its potential. Some days it's a hot fly, but not today. They want this red chironomid, blood red midge. I'm going to change this one out for a chironomid, but I'm going to do a different color chironomid. I'm going to do one that's called an ice cream cone. It's kind of got a green-black body with a white bead head. And we'll see if it's a color thing or if it's a shape thing they're responding to. Oop. There he is, got him. Oh, he's off. No, he still got him. I just lifted him up. Ooh, he's actually decent. Whoa. Little trout sleigh ride here. Oh, that's a beautiful rainbow. Nice. Pretty. Red is still king. Pliers here. There we go. Got wrapped around the mallard. See ya. Still haven't got one on the ice cream cone. I've had some nibbles on it, but they grab a hold of this red one here. They are all about it. Hold on. I'm basically just going to the bottom here and then coming up a couple cranks. They're going to be about 5-6 feet off the bottom. So that way it hits the bottom. 2, 3. There we go. We're getting no love on the ice cream cone midge, so we're going to do something different. Maybe a little crazy. Gonna bust out the Squirmy wormy. Just a little red silicone fly. They seem to be onto the red worm, so we'll see if this works. There's a special place in fly fishing hell for fly fishermen who use the Squirmy wormy. But since I'm not fly fishing today, I can fish this sin-free. Alright, Squirmy wormy. See if it's just the red worm they want. Okay, so Squirmy wormy has been kind of a failure. We've only had one bite on it. So I'm thinking I will try my last 15 minutes here. Gonna try a blob. Okay, let's send the blob down. Pink and chartreuse. Ooh, that was a bite and I missed it. Dang it. Not paying attention. Ooh. There's one on the blob. Nice. I was hoping I'd get one on the blob. Sweet. You can anchor or drift fish like I'm doing today with this technique. I kind of like drifting because it lets you cover a little bit more water. Ooh, pretty rainbow. Ooh, ooh. It's a feisty one. Beautiful fish. Alright, I think I'm going to make this one my last fish of the day. I'll put links to all the flies that I was using, or videos on how to make the flies I was using. Alright, let's go over the fly selection here. I started off the morning with this little scud right there, like a little freshwater shrimp, and this red chironomid, which has been the hot fly all day with that little bit of marabou tail. I then switched up to an ice cream cone, so I took the scud away. I had one bite on that, but really not much. I tried Squirmy Wormy, nothing there at all. And then I finally got a few nibbles and a fish to finish the day on the blob. But this was hands down, you know, probably 7-1 on bites was this little blood red chironomid. And I use this a lot ice fishing on my static rods, and it always does very well. And I'll see you next time on the water. Just remember, fish smarter, not harder. Bye, guys.